Welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to find your page comments history on the Facebook app when using it on your PC, especially after the latest update. If you've ever wanted to easily look back at every comment you've shared across Facebook pages, this guide is just what you need. Let's start. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to check. Once you're inside, look to the very top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click your photo. This action opens up a menu with quick options for your account. Next, you're going to see a list of different options. Select Settings and Privacy. Once you click that, another menu will appear. Click Settings. This will open up the main settings page, where you have access to everything related to your Facebook account. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Your Activity. Under this, click on Activity Log. This area is like your personal Facebook history, showing all your posts, likes, reactions, and much more. Inside your activity log, you'll see different categories on the left side of the screen. From this menu, find and click on Comments. Now, you'll see every comment you've made using your profile, organized by date. This includes comments you've left on your own posts and on other people's or pages' posts. With this feature, you can quickly review, manage, or even delete any of your past comments. It's especially useful if you want to keep track of your activity or simply find an old conversation. Remember, you can also filter these comments by year to make searching even easier. That's all there is to it. With these quick steps, you can now view your entire page comments history on Facebook using the updated app on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.